We're going to show you a simple tagging session where we're going to tag this particular URL, which happens to be my home website. So I'll just start typing tags just as I would in any other service. I can type website and then hit return, and you see it moves to the side and becomes this red text, which shows that it hasn't been selected yet for appropriate meaning, but I can come back to that later. The idea is that I can just type tags uninterrupted as I would in any other service and not have to worry about disambiguating them at the time I type. So it's a website, maybe there's a blog that I have on that website, and maybe there's some text that I want to bring attention to as well. So there's a website with a blog and some interesting text. Let's say I'm done with that. That's all the tags that I want. So now I have to come back to each of the red ones, which have no explanation yet, and I have to individually select them. Now the interface nicely brings up my alternatives from the system, and here you can see that the top one is it's an internet site, a website, and so that's looks like what I want. I can read the gloss if I really want to make sure that that's the one I want, but otherwise I just click on that and it becomes green, which means that I have already selected the meaning. Now I want to do a blog, bring it up, and as you see I have the entry here again at the top, which is what I want to tag, and there's blog right there, but you also have the word weblog, which is an alternative name for blog, and that's nice because the system will automatically store both of those, so that if later I'm looking for weblog instead of blog, then I'll still be able to retrieve it. You see there's a blog down here as well, but here, and this is another interesting feature of the interface, this is the actual action to blog. Okay, to read, write, or edit a shared online journal. And in this case, that's not the particular entry I want, so I select this one. But in other cases, it might be, for example, if I'm bookmarking a site that has interesting tools to make blogging easier, then I might pick to blog. In this case, I pick that one.